Hello everyone, hope all is well. This is Teresa, aka 50 Plus 2013. I wanted to talk to you about how I clean my Tiffany bracelet. And the only reason why I want to show you this is because I was thinking that I had to buy a cleaning cloth from Tiffany's in order to clean the bracelet. It's actually not my bracelet. It's a bracelet that belongs to my daughter. It's in my hands right now, so I've been wearing it. But I know she didn't care to wear it because she probably couldn't figure out how to clean it. It's some sort of metal. I don't know. I don't know if it's like sterling silver or not. I'm not sure what it's made of. I didn't do my research on that. But she got it for a gift, and like I said, it kind of tarnished on her and she just couldn't clean it. So I was thinking to myself, I'm going to figure out how to clean this bracelet. And then I'm going to wear it in front of her and see if she wants it back. Went ahead and found advice on how to clean the bracelet with baking soda, aluminum foil, and hot water. So I just want to show you that demonstration. And basically the whole point of this video is you don't have to buy a Tiffany cleaning cloth. So today's been a good day. I'm just getting home from work and I took off my shoes, my earrings, the hairpins holding back my short edges of my hair, and I love it when I get in that mode where I just want to just detail stuff and get rid of stuff and clean stuff. So last night, it kind of started last night, but I'm still kind of in that frame of mind or that mindset. I cleaned all my brushes and I get home from work and they're all nice and clean. And these are all the brushes that I've been using probably for a good, well, a month. Some of them are not perfectly clean. Like I worked on those little stains, but I couldn't get them out. But these are my foundation brushes, my powder brushes, my stippling brushes, a lot of foundation brushes in here, and quite a bit of stippling brushes, and a few other types of brushes. But I wanted to kind of separate them between, now that I know how I put on my makeup in the morning, how I rush and put it on, and well, I don't think I rush because I enjoy putting it on. But I know, like, I need a certain brush for the blush. I need a certain I need a certain brush for the bronzer. And of course, the eyeshadow that I just put in my creases, a really fluffy small brush. And I need either a flat foundation brush, which would be something like this, or even something dense like this to put on my foundation with. I made sure I cleaned up all the flathead ones that are foundation brushes. Anyways, I've cleaned my hair combs and brushes also. And like I said, I just been on this mood where I just want to detail stuff. Like I can just like feeling so good that, you know, you have like things accomplished. So anyways, onto the video, because I'm sure there are people out there that are wondering how to clean Tiffany jewelry. So I'm going to title this video how to clean a Tiffany jewelry or a Tiffany bracelet, because that's all I have is a Tiffany bracelet. But before I go, one other thing. I have been trying to use the age rewind, and I was having a little bit of difficulty using that. So today when I put it on, now this is like my makeup right now is going on 12 hours. I've had my makeup on. So of course it's shining up around my nose and all, but the age rewind, I had a little bit of a hard time trying to get that to just work for me. So basically I had put it on first, and I mean, you can see that it worked out. It's like a long day and everything's still pretty copacetic. I did use the Revlon Color Stay, so I'm liking that because of the simple fact it stays put. But I don't like it because it's oxidizing on me. I don't know, it's like all of a sudden oxidizing. I'm like a third of the way through the bottle and all of a sudden it's oxidizing. So I think that I'm just going to like mix it with some other lighter foundation that I may have accidentally purchased and see if I can work with it that way. But I put on the Age Rewind and patted it down with a little mini sponge like this, just for the eyes. And then I use this powder right here to kind of set it very lightly. And then I went ahead and just stippled my foundation all over and kind of blend it out. And then I went over it just to see something with this one right here, the NYX. So I'm just having fun playing in makeup, guys. I love it. It's just so fun to me. And I just feel very upset that I waited this late in life to just start dabbling in makeup and enjoying it. But, you know, I'm glad that at this point I at least started using it. And whatever. What am I going to say? Let's get on to the demonstration. All I did was take the hot water and baking soda and aluminum foil, and voila.